Once upon a time, there was a lovely couple. Matam amada yamna nungsiba matay manaw ama layrammi. But as time went by, they began to find faults in each other and fought many times. Matam na sum lakpada satkibada makhoi ama amagi aranba thinarami aduga kayarak khatnarami. They decided to live separately for some time. Makhoi ani matam khara tongan lainasi haina warip launaki. It was 1st November, their first anniversary. Numitu November gi tang amani makhoi gi luhongbagi ahanba olakpa chahi luhongba numit aduni. Thoibi, the wife, expected her husband to come and greet her on that day. Thoibi mahaki loinabi aduna mahaki loinaba aduda anniversary ki wish piragadra haiduna ngairami. She thought, if he comes, he loves me. Mahakna kalami mahakna laagati mahakpu nungshibani haina. If he came, he loved her. Although they thought they had true love for each other, makhoi ani khatnaragasu makhoi ani amaga amagi ashengba nungshibadi lainaki. The same early morning, Thoiba brought a bunch of flowers and wished her happy anniversary. Numitugi ayuk angan baduda, Thoibana lay mayamama puraktuna, mahakpu wish tobiki. She was so happy that he remembered her. Mahakna, mahakpu, ningsing birkpagi, yamna haraurami. After a while, a phone call came from the police department. Ngaihak lairaba matungda, police department dagi phone call ama laami. The police officer said, "Is this Thoibi? Your husband had an accident and died on the spot. Masi Thoibira, nangi nupadu accident ama thoktuna mafam sida laikhidre." She was so shocked because just a while ago her husband was with her. Mayamna ngaklami maramdi ngaihaki mamangda mahaki nipadu maga laiminnarambanina. She told them that her husband was with her. Mahakna makhoida mahaki nipa mahakalai haina hairami. But the police officer told her that her phone number was taken from the wallet of the dead man. Adubu police officer aduna mangonda hairami madudi mahaki phone number adu asiba nipa adugi paisa bektagi laubani haiduna. She turned around to see her husband, but he was not there. Mahakna onduna yangpukanda mahaki mapuroibdu lairamdre. She was heartbroken. She cried ceaselessly because all that time they were finding faults in each other. Mahaki thamoidu kairami. Mahakna lepa laitana kaplami maramdi matam mayamadu mabanina aranba thinaduna lairakpanina. When she realized that he loved her truly, he was dead. He was gone too soon. Mahakna mahakpu nungshi tasengna nungshi khanglakpadagi mahak sikre mahak thumanna satkre. She wished that he were alive for a moment so that she could hug him and tell him that she loved him. Mahakna pamami madudi mahak ngaihaktang oirasu hingamba aduga mahakpu konsinduna nungsi haiba. She believed in the existence of souls after death, and that he came to tell her for the last time that he loved her. Mahakna siraba matungda thawai di hingi haibdu thazabana mahakki thawai adu ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ. As she was sobbing unconsolably, her husband came out of the toilet and told her that his wallet had been stolen by a man. Mahakna themba ngamdana kaplingayda mahakki nipa adu toilet tagi thoklaktuna mahakki paisa bag adu nipa amana hurankhibani hairami. She jumped on him with her eyes wide opened and hugged him, telling him that she loved him again and again. Mahakna mahakki mapuroibaduda chongkhattuna konsilami aduga mahakna mabu nungshi haina hanjin hanjin hairami. Don't find faults, just keep loving. Life is short and we have no time to quarrel. Aranba thiganu adum nungshino punsisi yamna teli khatnabagi matam leite. If you like the story, just hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos. Comment and let us know your thoughts on the story. Warisibu pamagati thumbs up button nambiyu, subscribe tawbiyu, video mayam ama uba phangnaba.